AirPods battery replacement, draining too fast problem. Having AirPods is all good until you have to charge them each time due to low battery. Moreover, if you have bought the AirPods post 2017, then you must be having major battery issues. It really becomes a task when you cannot listen to anything for even less than half an hour. If we make a comparison between the 2016 AirPods and the 2018 AirPods, the battery life plays a significant role apart from the features. Coming to the battery life of the AirPods, then each AirPods has a 93 milliwatt battery in each of its stems. Lithium-ion batteries tend to deteriorate over time, thus leading to a short battery life of the AirPods. Keep watching the video till the end then, and also please do subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week. Why does the AirPods battery drain faster than before? There are several factors that result in battery degradation, but the major reason is the growth of dendrites. Another reason behind the short battery life in your AirPods is leaving them uncharged or using them on low battery always. This is quite common as all of us do not pay heed to the battery percentage of the AirPods until they are completely discharged. This is not a good practice at all, and one should always keep them adequately charged at all times. Now that we have talked about all the possible reasons that can lead to severe battery drainage of your AirPods, how to extend the battery life of your AirPods? Number 1. Apple may do the battery replacement of your AirPods for you. Not all of you might be aware, or even if you are, then chances are you are still overlooking the solution to get your battery exchanged. This is the easiest solution to improve the battery life of your AirPods. So if you have bought your AirPods from Apple Care Plus, then you have a 2 years warranty that includes the battery replacement for your AirPods too. The only condition being that the battery health of your AirPods should be 80% or less than that. But if you have crossed that 2-year mark, then you can still get your battery serviced. Number 2. Can I get the AirPods battery replaced all by myself? According to different experiments held, it is almost impossible to do it manually. AirPods have different internal structures and you cannot replace a battery inside it without actually damaging it. Therefore, the entire idea of replacing the battery at home is not feasible and is a seemingly impossible task to do. Number 3. Refurbishing your AirPods. Another way with which you can improve the battery life is by refurbishing your AirPods. This is the best option but comes at a cost. There is a company called PodSwap that can help you with the process of AirPod battery refurbishment at the cost of $59.99 for Apple's first generation earbuds. Number 4. How to fix the battery if Apple AirPods pass the expiry date. Another problem that you might encounter while trying for the battery replacement is that your AirPods are out of warranty. Not many people know this, but despite this, you can still replace them. Yes, Apple replaces each stick for a cost as low as $49, which originally is for $98 in total. You can even replace the charging case of your AirPods even though it does not wear that fast at just a cost of $49. This also comes under the battery service of Apple. More methods to improve your AirPods battery health. Apart from these solutions, you can also try other small tricks if your AirPods battery is draining faster. Reset your AirPods. This is the simplest and the quickest option to improve the battery health. With this method, you can also get rid of any other problems that are related to the connectivity issues. In order to reset your AirPods, open the case and press and hold the round button for a few seconds. When the light case changes to white, it indicates that the AirPods have reset. Discharge the AirPods completely. It might sound quite the opposite of what you are trying to do, but believe us, draining the battery of your AirPods and then charging it in one go without using it in between helps a lot in battery saving. Try to use one AirPod at a time. Neither a permanent solution nor quite accepted or recommendable, but just in case nothing seems plausible for you, you might as well give this a try. So suppose if you are going to be on a long call, usually what happens is that one AirPod becomes a mic and the other one becomes a speaker. So you could just save your battery and use the only one which acts as both rather than two using more battery. So these are the top ways with which you can save the battery drainage, or you can simply replace the battery through various ways discussed above. Hope you get the information you are looking for, and if you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.